Petrol heads, perk your ears up and listen to what I'm about to tell you. We have just had the most remarkable arrival with us today that I know you're going to love. And I mean, when you consider daily drivers, it is most certainly up there with one of the best and most premium automotives that you could buy for the money. This is an exceptional example. BMW Service History full, one owner from new. This car will tick all the boxes for you because it's got all the spec. It's the all-important B58 engine, it's the Touring, it's all-wheel drive, and it is super, super desirable. Let's have a walk around some of the spec today, shall we? So, starting out towards the front of the car, as you can see, we've got these BMW LEDs, which look fantastic. This one's paired up with the full exterior styling kit, so with that we get the splitter side skirts, rear diffuser, and spoiler. We've also got equipped a 360-degree camera system, giving you every aspect of the road, because it is a slightly larger vehicle, so if someone else needs to drive the car, the missus, it's going to be a lot easier for her to park this vehicle, trust me. Come around the side and check out these alloys. Absolutely stunning. Gloss black, red contrasting calipers, front and rear parking sensors, M Sport badging. Check it out as well, extension on the mirror cap, side skirts, you've got the comfort access, tilt and slide glass pan roof. The spec is absolutely paramount. It's wonderful. Rear diffuser. What I love about the Tourings as well is this little hatch. Such a little quirky gimmick, but I think it's just perfect. Ease of access getting in and out of the car. A whole host of boot space. Take a look at the boot space as well. But one owner, full BM history, 72 plate, 340i Touring. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous colour. This one is the Skyscraper Grey Metallic, if I'm not mistaken. Take a look at the extension on the spoiler there as well, adding even more definition and grit to the car. Side skirts, rear red calipers, front brake calipers, spec on spec on spec. And then we get towards the interior, after we have one last little close-up on the alloy, which we've already done probably. And take a look at the condition. You can tell it's a one-owner car from the bolsters, from the leathers inside. The iDrive 8 is phenomenal. HUD, iDrive 8, wireless charging, heated steering wheel and heated seats. This car has genuinely got it all. And we're retailing this bad boy for £48,990. It's done 22,410 miles. I implore you to find me a better example. I will wait, because I know there isn't another one out there as good as this, as good looking as this, with the kit and with the wheels. And if you're a savvy buyer who's looking to fill the void in your life at the moment, come and pick this up, because it's not going to last long whatsoever. If you need any further information regarding this car, please feel free to pick up the phone and give us a call. All our cars are prepped to the highest standard. We do a 93-point pre-delivery inspection and a service and MOT if it's due, but this one isn't, so you don't have to accrue a cost on this car for a long time. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.